Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for May 3rd to the 15th. May 3rd to the 7th. You can see we're expecting a split flow across the nation. Here's the northern stream, the southern stream. We still have blocking here across the northeast Pacific, trough in the west. And we have this upper low here over western Canada that separates, and I'll show you this what I'm talking about. And with some of the energy lifting towards the north, here's where it splits. And another piece goes towards Hudson Bay and reorganizes here. We have an upper ridge here over the southeast with above normal heights in the east. Okay, we're going to have a frontal boundary across the southern plains, and that will support heavy rains and thunderstorms. And the rain threat will remain to next week along a frontal boundary along the Gulf Coast. And we're going to go, this is what I'm talking about. You can see the rain here. This is a GFS. This is European. And then here's the system I'm talking about in the Central Plains. Let's see if I can. And the Central Plains here. Heavy rain and storms will linger across here. We'll have moisture pooling along the frontal boundary, moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And a front in the east will cause rain, and we'll have heavier amounts across the southeast in the warm sector, European and the GFS. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for May 6th to the 10th. And here's a pattern here. The pattern doesn't change very much. Still have a ridge here. We have our upper low here over the western Canada. You can see it separates here. And here's one piece of the upper low, and here's the other piece here. And the model's a good agreement with this. We still have a split flow above normal heights here in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. And I'm forecasting numbers at 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here. And I'm forecasting anomalies at 2 to 4 degrees below normal. Precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation for the remainder of the nation, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. We go look at the period now for May 11th to the 15th. And again, the flow remains generally the same. We still have a ridge here, split flow here across mainly in the west, zonal flow here in the east. And we have a trough in the east with a ridge over the southeast with above normal heights in the east. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and for the southeast into the Tennessee Valley. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 degrees or more. And there are chances for the greater anomalies of near 12 degrees possible in the Four Corners region. And elsewhere it'll be about maybe 4 to 6 degrees. And then we have below normal temperatures for the Northern Plains and the Upper Mississippi Valley. And I think the cutoff for the below normal temperatures will be west of this line. This is about the best I can get it. And the anomalies are 4 to 6 degrees below normal are forecast. And for precipitation, I'm forecasting little change in the precipitation anomalies. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for May 3rd to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.